Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cynthia and you guys are welcome. Guys, in this video I am going to share with you guys how to make a delicious meal which costs under £5, basically under £5. And believe me guys, this meal is super delicious and also full of all the nutrients. So yeah, if this is your first time here, just say please do subscribe to my channel to support me grow my channel. Please guys, subscribe, and of course share the video guys. Share. There is love in sharing. There's love in sharing. After subscribing guys, please do hit the bell sign beside the subscribe button. It helps to notify you whenever I upload a new video. And guys, to subscribe is free. It's absolutely free. All you will get is basically my videos free of charge to you whenever I upload. Anyway guys, I'm so excited to share with you guys this recipe. I am going to leave and also on the screen I'm going to leave the price of each items. I'm going to leave the price of how much each of the items I use cost, so as to know that guys, you can make a delicious meal full of all the nutrients which cost just under £5. Anyway guys, without further ado, let's get started into this delicious meal. Anyway guys, I am making what I call jollof spaghetti using tuna. Okay guys, let's get started. Okay guys, in here I have boiling water. To my boiling water, I'm just adding a little bit of salt and also oil to avoid my spaghetti from sticking. These cost me 0 pence because I already had them in the house. Next, I'll be adding in my spaghetti. These are Savers brand from Morrison. I also got another one from, I think this is a Sainsbury's, and these cost me 20p. So there you go guys, 40p. So far so good. I like my spaghetti long, so I'm gonna put it in there and then wash it later. Leave to cook. Just to show you guys again, these are the Savers brand which I got from Morrison. These are 20p in Morrison, and I think I got this one from Sainsbury, also 20p or so. Just gonna let this cook until it is white basically, and like I said, I used the oil. I put oil inside to avoid it from sticking, and also a little bit of salt. But I'm also gonna wash this when it's done to take out all the extra starch from it. I'm just trying to mix it so it doesn't stick together. And now I'm going to prep my other ingredients, which is my onions and my garlic and my pepper and tomatoes. Next guys is my onions. Although this cost me 0 pence because I already had it in the house. However, I would say on onions, you may get one onion for about 20p or less, or maybe 5p. So I'm just gonna chop this. I'm gonna dice it basically into tiny pieces. Like so. Okay, I'm now done with my onions. Just gonna put it aside. Next, I will be chopping my garlic also into cube-like sizes, tiny cube-like sizes, guys. As you can see, just gonna chop it super tiny. I'm done with chopping my garlic. I'm also going to be using these long red pepper. This one cost me 0 pence basically because I already had it in the freezer. But I would say they may cost about 20p for one because it's about 5 for a pound. So I'm just going to slice it and to take off the seed and dice it out thinly. I'm using 2 of these long pepper because I'm cooking basically 2 spaghetti, and I will need the food to have a nice flavor in it basically. Okay guys, okay, I'm done with slicing or dicing my pepper. Okay guys, next I'm going to wash my spaghetti just to remove the extra starch from it. Basically, I'm just going to run it over cold water. That's what I'm going to do. Okay guys, I'm now just running it over cold water to take away the extra starch. I'm doing it in batch because my sieve is quite small. Leave to drain, and I will repeat the process until I'm done. Next guys, in here I have my oil and I'm going to fry in my tuna chunks. These are tuna chunks, and these tuna chunks I'm going to use 2, you know, and these guys are the, okay, let this camera focus. And these guys are the Morrison Savers brand. These cost, I think, 60 pence or 63 pence, and I'm using 2 of these, you know. So I'm frying it in a little bit of oil. I'm going to, because they are in brine, you know, tuna in brine, I'm going to drain them out and then just fry the tuna. So that's the extra water, just gonna drain it out, squeeze out, get out the extra water. You have to wash on top of this first also, you know, because in the shop you don't know what has gone over this in there. And drain my second tuna. I'm gonna fry it now. There you go guys, I've taken out all the excess water. I also like to cover the pot when frying because it does sight. Next guys, I'm going to, in here I have hot oil. I'm just going to fry my onions and my garlic. I added in some spring onions. I had some in the fridge anyway, and again that cost me 0 pence. I'm going to fry this with black pepper. I'm also throwing in thyme, and I'm using 2 onion cubes. Next, I'm going to add in my chopped pepper. And basically just stir and leave to cook for, let's say, a couple of minutes. Let's say 5 minutes. While that is cooking, I'm just going to wash the dishes because I like washing as I go, basically tidying up as I go sometimes anyway, not every time. So yeah, okay guys, here we go. Pot is a little bit hot, guys. Okay guys, next I'm going to add in 2 of my chopped tomatoes. These cost about, I think, 35p each. I used 2 of that. I'm also gonna stir again and leave to cook for a few minutes. Okay guys, my soup or stew is almost ready. What I'm going to do now is add 2 of these. These are 20p each. So I'm going to add 2 of my Gino puree. I'm going to add 2 of my Gino puree. I'm going to add 2 inside basically. So I am going to I'm now going to add in my fried tuna. Add in the fried tuna. I fried it until it's crunchy, basically. Until it's super crunchy. We're just gonna stir it and leave to cook for a little while. probably 10-15 minutes while I prep my my spaghetti to add into the sauce. So I'm now going to prep my spaghetti to add into the sauce, and yeah. Okay guys, lastly I am going to add in my my spaghetti. Right, I put it in here in my wok after I finish washing it. I'm going to add it in the stew basically and stir as I go. Okay. We're stirring as I go. Hold on guys, let's put this away. And just basically stir guys. Stir. Look at all that jollof spaghetti. Apart from the 2 naan cube and the salt I use in boiling the spaghetti, I didn't add any more spices apart from black pepper and thyme. So guys, you just stir and stir. As you can see guys, it is less than 5 pounds, and this is a full pot, you know, bearing in mind I haven't even finished adding the other spaghetti which I have left, which is in here, you know. So that's because the pot will be too small basically. So you can see guys, you can serve this with chicken, boiled egg, fish, and yeah. So I'm gonna just leave for about 5 minutes and then my spaghetti is ready. Just throwing in rocket leaf. I got this rocket leaf for I think 30p for a packet. Okay guys, this is my jollof spaghetti made with tuna, less than 5 pounds. All my ingredients all done. You guys, this is delicious, you know. Look at all the lovely colors, and I got 2 large pot out of this, you know, 2 super large pot out of this, you know. This tastes absolutely delicious. Guys, do try it out and tell me how yours went. Leave a comment in the comment section down below how yours went, you know. So yeah. I'm gonna do a mukbang on this one, hopefully tomorrow. Anyway guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in another video. And if you guys would like to suggest any cooking video of your choice which you would like me to make or ask question about it, I will try doing them. Anyway guys, let me finish my noodles. Thanks for watching.
My phone, yeah. 3 o'clock in the morning. We've been going